Hey YouTube, I'm Rob and this is my son. And we are... And today we are making... eggs in a basket.
Eggs in a basket.
And we are going to show you how to do it. It's pretty simple. There's only 3 ingredients. And you can pretty much top it with whatever you want. Or you can make faces like that. So let's get started. You ready? Step number 1. We are going to take this bread and make a hole in it.
What?
Boop!
What? Oh.
Don't get the crumbs everywhere. And then you can just kind of tear out a little section in the center.
Can't do it.
What?
I don't even know.
Here, look at that piece you dropped down there first. Look. Just grab it, pinch, and pull. And you go in a little circle. Did you just eat that?
Yes, I moved it off.
5-second rule, I guess, huh? What? We're gonna cook it. That's gonna be our kitchen tip. Once you have your bread with the 2 holes in it, we are gonna take some butter and put it in our pan. You wanna help me do this?
Yes.
Well, sure, we'll take the big piece, I guess, and tap it in the pan. Remember, the pan's hot, right? And just coat the bottom of your pan.
Oh, I see some bubbles.
Bubbling up, right?
Also,
And then we're gonna lay our bread right in the pools of the butter that we're making here.
should I put them on?
Yep, just remember the pan is hot, right? So let's get this big pool of butter right here. Put it right there. Perfect.
It's on your...
Nice job. And on one of these, we are gonna put a slice of ham. So right now, I'm just going to put that ham in and just toast it up just a little bit. Let's open it up first. You ready?
1, 2, 3.
Ham. And that's gonna make a nice sizzle in the pan. So if people are sleeping, maybe they hear that and they're like, I hear and smell breakfast. Smells delicious.
Yeah, that's funny.
That is funny. And what do we need now?
A chicken tip of the week.
No. What do we gotta put in the bread? Not the cheese. What's the one ingredient we don't have?
Eggs.
Eggs. We need eggs. Where can we get eggs from?
Trading chicken.
Oh.
Hey, Trading Chicken, do you have some eggs?
Are you asking me or the crazy chicken? He's over there.
Hey, Trading Chicken, do we have some eggs?
Hey, we needed 2. Tell him to come back.
Come back, Trading Chicken.
Hey, he's over there now.
Hey, Trading Chicken, come back. Oh, that's a good.
Thanks. All right, so we have our eggs from the crazy chicken.
You
We're
know
gonna
why?
flip that ham.
Do you know why he's called the Crazy Chicken? Because he does a lot of crazy stuff, right?
What does he do? That's crazy. Well, he flies in our house and gives us eggs.
And then he like flies in their house and
Now we got one side lightly toasted. Just flip it over.
Can I do it?
Hey, you can help.
Whoop.
And now all you're going to do is crack your egg right into the hole that we made. And just be careful that you do not get shells in there.
Daddy, can
Yes?
I put the egg in there? Oh, and put it in the hole.
That's why it's called egg in a basket.
Put it in.
Well, let me do this part because this pan is getting really hot, okay? And when you crack it, if you kind of open it up, it'll help some of the egg get on top of the bread too. So we're gonna take this ham out, put this on the side.
Guys, where's my arm?
I have no idea. We have another. So what we're gonna do is drop it. We need it. Let go. Come on, don't squish it. Because watch what we're gonna do. Watch, the ham's hot, right? You're gonna take those pieces that you ripped out of the center of the bread and do me a favor. Smush it together. Don't just smack it. Like smush it together.
Oh, did I try?
Yeah. Don't like make it flat. So put this hand on top of that one and push down. And squeeze. There you go. Perfect. Let me see. There you go.
That's all.
And like this one's like a little mini egg in a basket. It's got a little tiny hole in it. And just put a little more butter in your pan and you can toast this and it's a little treat on the side. What if I don't throw the butter on the counter? And we'll show you that at the end. And that's our... So what we're going to do now is put the lid on top.
Put it on. It's not right there. It's right there.
I had to get a pop opener. I want to show them what's going on in here. So as you can see, everything is cooking, but the eggs on the top are going to cook a little bit slower, and you don't want the bread on the bottom to burn. So if you put a lid up on the top, grab that corner right there. All right. And put that on top, and now the top of the egg will cook without burning the bottom of the bread. And now we just, wait a minute. Stop. You're not even tickling, you're just digging in my armpit, and it does not feel nice. I'm gonna go get some fork. All right, so it's only been about a minute. And as you can see, the top of our egg is a little more cooked now, just a little bit better. We're gonna flip our little side treat here. And just give it a little scoop under the egg to loosen everything up.
Oh, it's like connecting.
Mm-hmm.
Why is it doing that?
Because the egg is connected together.
Ooh.
And then, in this case,
Oh!
we're gonna give ours a quick flip.
Oh!
And now, we're gonna lay the cheese on one, and then the ham and cheese on the other. If you want to add salt or pepper or anything else like that, you can go ahead and do that. And we're gonna pop this lid back on for one more second.
One more second. Gee,
Mhm.
that's a long time.
One more second's a long time? No, it's not. And we could turn the burner off too,
Why?
because the pan's hot enough to finish cooking it.
Did you play rock, paper, scissors, shoot? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Any song. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Tornado!
Tornado?
Yes, there is one.
No, there's no, it's rock, paper, or scissor. Alrighty.
Ow! That's my. Hey,
You
what?
want that one?
You try that first and then that, okay?
You want to try the inside part first? Okay, go for it. Just be careful it's not too hot, okay? We're going to let you know how it tastes. It's a nice crispy, buttery piece of toast, right?
Yeah. It's
Is it good?
crunchy a lot.
It's really crunchy
Yeah.
because it's really thin, so the outside gets nice and crisp.
That's funny.
Let's cut this open here.
You do mine?
Sure. Depending upon how you cook yours, you can have it so that the egg is still sunny side up. Or you could do like we did and give it a quick flip just so that the egg isn't so runny. But you can still see on this one here we got a little bit coming out, which is just how we like it, right? And let me cut you a piece here. You ready?
Oh, that's a lot.
Ooze it out of there.
Oh, yum.
There's a piece for you. I will have a piece of this one.
Ready? Just blow on it a little bit.
Okay. Get that extra piece of egg on the side. Got it. What do you think? Good?
Let me show them how much thumbs up.
All the thumbs? I thought we were just gonna get maybe one thumb for this.
Why?
But all the, well, every time I try to offer to make this for you, you're kind of like, man, I want something else. But I'm glad you really like it. Maybe we'll have it more often then. What do you think? Good at, don't tickle me. I give it 2 thumbs up. Again, if you want it to be more sunny side up, just obviously take it out a little bit sooner than we did. For him, we don't make it sunny side up just because you don't like it that much, that way too much, right? You're eating more?
I'm trying to.
Keep going at it, man. Good. So once you know how to do this, you can put anything else on top that you'd like. You could put bacon or sausage.
Ooh, I
We
know.
did ham.
How
Well,
about meatballs?
if you want to put meatballs on top, go for it. You can put a little sprinkle salt, pepper, obviously ketchup, whatever else you want to put on top, you can do that. And
Or maybe some eggs on top.
there's already eggs on top. Yeah, what would you put in the middle of the bread? You're crazy, man. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a,
Thumbs up.
and down in the corner, it would really help us out if you click the,
Subscribe button.
and you can go ahead and follow us on all the main forms of social media to find out what we got going on. And sometimes we post some things that we make during the week that may not make it to the video, but give you an idea of what we're cooking or what we're coming up with in the kitchen, right? So until next time, the most important thing about cooking in the kitchen is that you have
Fun.
and you get to be.
Creative.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Ready? Wow, Otis, you got small.
Is that gonna be the shell?
Shell? What do you mean shell?
The cheese.
Yes, I will give you a piece of cheese. One for you, one for me.
Yeah. Dad, why do you need an egg for an egg?
Why do we need an egg for an egg? Because if we're making eggs in a basket, we need eggs, right?